Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. Today, I will show you how to enable the Aloud reading of caller names on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This useful feature will make it easier for you to identify calls without needing to look at the screen, which is especially helpful when you're busy or driving. So, let's get started with the process. First, open the phone app. Immediately after opening it, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the Options menu, then tap the Settings option in the menu. Once you're in the settings, look for the option called Answering and Ending Calls and tap on it. Now, tap the option named Read Caller Names Aloud. First, toggle the switch to enable it, and after that, you can choose the option that suits you best. If you select the option over Bluetooth and headphones only, this will enable the Aloud reading of caller names only when Bluetooth headphones are connected. This option is ideal if you want to avoid having caller names read aloud when you're not connected to headphones, helping you maintain privacy in public situations. If you choose the Always option, this will allow the caller names to be read aloud regardless of whether you're using headphones or not. This is useful in situations where you want to know who's calling, even when the phone is not connected to headphones. And that would be all for this video. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.